Greetings, greetings, greetings. I would like to know how you would feel if when Jesus come back, you know ready and he tell you say, him no know you. How you would feel? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right there, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we are going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 25 from verse 1 to verse 13. That time there, God kingdom are going to come in like 10 young girl. We take them lamp, go meet the man where get married. 5 of them did fool, and the next 5 did have sense. When the fool one them take for them lamp, they name bring extra oil. But the one them we have sense did walk with extra oil for feed them lamp. The bridegroom did take long for come. And sleep did start for hold them down. And the whole of them drop asleep. But in the middle of the night, somebody shout out, "Hey, the bridegroom there. Come meet him." The young girl them get up and start fix up their lamp so it could have burn good. Here the fool one them to the wise one them, no. Give us some on the aisle, no. Coffee we lamp so out. No, they answer back. We don't have enough for share for we and for uno. Go to who sell it and buy some. But when them go buy the aisle, the bridegroom go come, and the one them we did ready, go with him which part the wedding dinner did I keep. Then the servant them lock the door. Little more, the other young girl them come back. Hear them now? Lad, open the door. Open the door for we now. But he answer back. Hear me now? And a chew me attack. Me no even know no. So here, make sure say you no ever ready and a look out. Cause you no know a which day or a what time the man where God pick I go come back. A God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.